This is the XL G-Lite Pro Self-Propelled Wheelchair, a stylish, light and portable wheelchair that's ideal for anyone looking to regain their independence. The G-Lite is available in 3 different seat widths: 16-inch, 18-inch and 20-inch. The largest width can accommodate a user weight of up to 135 kilos. The chair's 24-inch self-propelled wheels are fitted with polyurethane puncture-proof tyres, reducing rolling resistance, giving you a smoother, comfier ride. The G-Lite is also fitted with padded, height-adjustable armrests, which have been designed so you can use the chair while sitting at a desk. There are also swing-away, removable and adjustable footrests, as well as a machine-washable seat cover, making every trip in the G-Lite as comfortable as the first. The aluminium frame is extremely durable, yet lightweight. The half-folding back, coupled with the quick-release wheels, means collapsing and storing the chair is easier than ever before. The XL G-Lite Pro Self-Propelled Wheelchair for those looking to regain their day-to-day independence. Full specifications on careco.co.uk, and it's available now online, on tablet, on mobile and in showrooms. Or give us a call 0800 111 4774.